students, so today I wanted to go over how to do week 5 in this course so that you guys can get started. Week 5 does have one activity assignment that you're going to be doing, which is called Forestry, What's Killing These Lodgepole Pines. And when you click on that, I wanted to show you that at the beginning there is a video lecture that I do which explains how field methods are done out in forestry. So I've gotten to work at a few different forestry research stations, and so I briefly explained some basic field methods that actually are used in the field of studying forests. And so I'm going to explain some of that in the video, and then you're going to read these other things. And I wanted to point out there's a second video there, and it explains how to do the actual transects. So it'll explain to you in the first video what a forestry transect is, and then in the second video, you will actually be doing that. So you'll click onto the assignment and get started, and everything's there. One important piece on the assignment is that there are some, towards the bottom, there are some slideshows like this one that you actually click through so you can see all the pieces. So that is one trick about this assignment, which I do say in the videos if you watch them. I just want you to make sure that you pay attention and really know that there's some slides with multiple slides that you click through. Okay, so then we're also doing chapter 8, which is biodiversity and conservation biology. It's kind of a fun chapter. And then the next one is also kind of one of my favorites, on forestry and how to manage them and protected areas. That is those are chapters 8 and 9, and you will finish by taking the chapter 8 and 9 exam. Also this week, make sure that you fill in something for your sustainability challenge. It's okay if that has changed, if your goal has changed. So if you are doing something like trying to use less plastic bottles, maybe this week you can go and replace, a dead plant in a yard with a new drought tolerant plant or a native plant or something like that. It's totally fine to change. Or if you go on a hike, you can maybe clean up, a few pieces of trash along the way, or maybe you can even post about your hike on social media to try to encourage other people to go outside. So any of that is fine. Just make sure you log at least a few tasks that you work towards on your sustainability challenge. So that is how you are going to complete week 5. And as usual, if you have any questions, please let me know.